Q80. Yes, they got kitties in here. And I'm actually trying out a new iPhone here. I'm trying to keep it steady. Trying to take videos now on the landscape mode, like I post them on YouTube and every other platform. So I just want to go over all the areas that looks, the whole interior needs work. So we're going to be here for minimum 6 hours at least. So I'm going to go ahead and fully detail the interior, get all the stains out, get into all the nooks and crannies. Right there. Right here, you can see this. Part back here too needs some work. Fully cleaned out, really good. All the way in there. All the way in there. All these videos nice and close so you can see the condition. So I gotta lift up that chair over there to get to it. This chair, this 6 is bad too. It's just up, I need to get that spot. The door panels you can see here. All right there. I'm putting the fingers so you guys can see it. See it here. The vehicle's already 2 years old, guys. So it's a 2022 or 23. So we can see. And this is not pet hair. This is hair from the kids. So always make sure it acts if it's pet hair or not. Never know. Please do those hair too. Especially having here. This chair has a here. We might have to use steam for this. These are good cleaning. Then get them on a little maintenance plan so that way we try to maintain it. And then that guy is an Infinity. Let's get it done. We're over here set up, about to line up everything. Get to work. Alright guys, so we're done. This one, full interior. Look at the turn out it came out. Yeah, there's a little blue mark there, I can't take it off. Up and we out.